Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Mohammad Kamal, lecturer Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College. My dear students, today I am going to discuss exercise 2.1, which already we started in the last classes. Today is the class number 4, and hopefully today's class we will complete exercise 2.1. The content name is ratios and percentage. In our previous classes, we have discussed the basic concept and we have done few words problem from our exercise. Basically, there are three types of requirement here. First of all, the quality or quantity of a product, or basically related with the simple ratios and the compound ratios. And maximum maths was related with the equivalent ratios. So here key topics or the main word is equivalent ratios. And beside these equivalent ratios, we have discussed simple ratios, mixed or compound ratios, and the unit ratios. By using this step, we have done question number 1 to question number 13. Today we are going to discuss question number 14. So my dear students, first do comments top line of the board and right side and left side, and the below one, everything okay? Can you hear me? And light, my sound, and top line of the board and diagram, everything okay? Can we start our class formally? There are 60 students connected with this live class. So dear students, you can share or tag this link to your friends to be connected with me. Hopefully today we are going to discuss our class formally within a short times. And within these times you can comment and you can write if you have any problem up to number 13. And we are going to start today here question number 14. So if you face any problem in question up to number 13, please write the question name. I will discuss previous classes, then I will come to the today's topics. So dear students, first of all, you can share or you can tag this link to your friends to be connected here and write your attendance. Hopefully our two teachers, math related teachers and you class teachers observing your attendance here. So mention your class section name and roles and just give the attendance, and you can share this link to your friends to be connected with this live. So hopefully within a short time, so we are going to start our class formally. So dear students, do comments top line of the board and right side, left side, everything okay? And can you hear me? Can we start our class formally? Already 5 to 6 minutes gone, so we are going to start inshallah. Min Nazmul Huda, hi sir, Assalamu alaikum, how are you sir? Thank you, walaikum assalam. Yes sir, please do comment. Yes, Ahna Preman, everything okay? So we are going to start. If you face any problem in up to question number 13, please do comments. So in our last few classes, we have discussed basically we have discussed here simple ratios. Then simple ratios we discuss here two parts. First one is called antecedent, and second part is called, the denominator one is called subsequent. And these simple ratios, we said there are two types of simple ratios: greater quantity and less quantity. Basically, proper fraction is the less quantity, and improper fraction is greater quantity, where antecedent is greater than subsequent, which is called the greater quantity, and which is basically in fraction we say improper fractions. Then we started here mixed. Then there was another one is a unit ratio. Today we do one math related with the unit ratio. Then with this unit ratio, that means antecedent and subsequent both are same. Then we have done inverse ratios. Inverse ratios, when subsequent converted to antecedent, and antecedent converted into subsequent. Then the symbol ratio converted as a inverse ratio. Inverse ratio is also a simple ratios. When inverse ratio is the less quantity, then inverse will be greater quantity. When the simple ratio is greater quantity, then its inverse will be smaller quantity or less quantity. And then we started here mixed. Mixed, or another name is compound ratio. And later we have discusses our key topics is mixed ratios or compound ratios. And later we have discusses here one of the most important part related to the word problem is equivalent. Equivalent ratio. And our maximum word problem here related with equivalent ratios. Then start here the 3 marks equivalent ratios. So by these equivalent ratios we have done 3 to 4 maths. So hopefully this maths, today's maths is not difficult, almost is similar with previous maths. Okay, my dear students, there are 70 students connected with the live classes. Please do comments to your friends to be connected. So just things only yours, not ours. Sorry, miss. Okay, sir. Dear students, we are going to our regular activity, which is question number, the first question, question number 14. So, my dear students, if you have textbook in front of you, you can read the questions. It's too lengthy question here. Question number 14. Exercise 2.1, question number 14. It's almost same. We will do this maths by using 2 different methods. The ratio of coming and going to school from houses of 2 friends. Is 2:3. If the distance of school, distance of school from the house of first friend, from the house of first friend is 5 kilometers. Then what is the distance of the school from the house of second friend? So, dear students, almost the question is too much lengthy, but answer is too easy comparing with the question length. So, I think already, if possible, you can try this one. Already within this short times, already 5 to 10 students have done right answer. Thank you very much. Halima Akhtar, Atiya Humaira, Mahir Ahsan, and Shafwan Shahid, Selina Sheikh. Oh my God, already you have done this maths. My dear students, I am happy to see your activities. Thank you. So, this is the question is basically, if we consider this one is our school, consider this one is scholars. At the house of first friend, house of first friend, and this is the house of second friend. This is the house of second friend. So, and their distance coming and going, and here is also the distance. This the distance is the first distance. The first distance is 5 kilometer here, and then second distance is what? School. So this is the first distance given here, 5 kilometer. The distance from house to school of the first friend is 5 kilometer, and second friend is what? So already have done many students this right answer using this equivalent formula. Just I am giving here the another example. So already maximum student done. So we can write here. The first information given here. Distance of school from the house of first friend. Ratio distance of the house of the second friend equal 2:3. And this information is given in our data. So the distance of the first friend is 5 kilometers. So we can write here 5 kilometer equal distance of the house of second friend equal 2:3. So just try here. The second quantity is unknown here. We know the formula, second quantity multiply with the third quantity. So we can start from here. Second quantity, that is the distance of the house of second friend equal, this is the second quantity is unknown, so we know second quantity multiply with third quantity. So here third quantity is divided by 2, and first quantity multiply with fourth quantity, 5 multiply 3. 5 multiply 3, this is the answer is kilometer. Already you have written here 7.5 kilometer or 7/2 kilometer. So this is the one step, already you have done this one, but by using another method we can do this one easily. So my dear students, so I think if you have any questions here, please do comments. Dear students, if you have any questions in this maths, please do comments. We will discuss another method here, so hopefully this is also easy. Will be please, Fojia Miss is also connected with us. Thank you, Miss. So dear students, okay, sir. Dear students, if you have any problems, please do comments. No questions, sir. Okay, sir. Already 2 students Just I will discuss this one by using another method, basically what are written in the questions. Give attention. This is a coming and going distance is the ratio 2:3, but only one distance is given here, 5. Okay, consider this distance. Just coming to school is 5 kilometer, and this is also will be 5 kilometer. This one also will be 5 kilometers, because house to school is 5 kilometer, then school to house will be 10 kilometers. So their total distance is, you can also convert it as a 10 kilometer, is the coming and going distance, that is the total distance. Just school to house and house to school is 10 kilometer. And then this answer will be 30. This answer will be, you will get here the 30, like 2 ratio 3 converted as a 10 ratio what? Because when the distance is school to house to school is 5 kilometer, basically school to house and going distance or coming distance is also 5 kilometer, then this one will be total distance is 10 kilometer. So here total distance is unknown. By using this one, if you use here unknown quantity x, then that x will be 3 multiply 10 divided by 2, that is the 15. This is the 3 multiply with 10, so 5, this is the 5, 3 5 is the 15. So this distance also will be 15. So here total distance will be 15. So now 15 is also the distance total, house to school and school to house. Then doing divide 15, now 15 divided by 2, you will get here 7.5. That is total distance is 15, so here is 7.5, here is also 7.5. Because the two distances are the same, school to house and house to school, both will be divided as the 2 portions. So distance from school to house will be 7.5. So you can also do this one as using this method. In our previous step, we have done only using the equivalent ratios, but here we find here the total distance 10 kilometer. Then you will get here the second friend house to school total distance will be 15. Then average distance will be 7.5 kilometers. So dear students, today we will do now next one. It's also easy maths. I think as like as previous one, you can do this maths within a short time. Okay, this is the most common and usable question here. Question number 15. The ratio of milk and sugar. Sorry. The ratio of milk and sugar ratio of the milk and sugar in a frumenty is 7:2. In the frumenty, the sugar the quantity is 4 kg. what is the quantity of the milk. So, dear students, I am giving you 2 minutes. Almost we have done these types of maths using the equivalent ratio. You can do this one. So, the ratio of milk and sugar in a frumenty means bias. 7.7:2. In this frumenty, the sugar is 4 kg. Then what is the quantity of milk? So already we have done these types of maths in the many times. The previous all maths is using equivalent ratios. You can do this one. So my dear students, I am giving you 2 minutes. Please do this maths and write the answer here. And if you have any question, or you can do comments also. I think already many students have done. Selina Sheikh 14, Halima Akhtar 14, Salma, yes, Noor, Fatiha. Already Takas, Najia, Ilham, thank you sir. Okay sir. Salim 15. Dipalishan 14. Okay. Dipalishan 14 already. Yes, maximum student have done. Thank you sir. Already we have done these types of maths in our previous classes using the equivalent ratios, the simple maths. So, is the container, is the frumenty, that means bias, where the mixed are, the 2 items are mixed here, or made by milk and sugar. Milk and sugar 7:2. Container. So already maximum student have done, just using the short step here. The quantity of milk solution, quantity of milk ratio, quantity of is to 2. So now which information is given? Second part. So quantity of milk ratio, this is the 4 kg here, then 7 ratio 7:2. Here using the formula, the first quantity is unknown, so first multiply with the fourth quantity. Quantity of milk multiply with 2 equal 4, multiply with 7. You can use here the kg. So our quantity of milk is 4 multiply 7 divided by 2 kg. So this is the 14 kg. This is our answer. So already maximum student have done this one. The dear student, revise again. It's too much easy maths. Okay, dear students, I think something wrong inside the camera. Someone used here. Okay. I think, do you face any problem to see the board? And someone comments this right is not properly. Sir, please do comments. Diagram of the board and everything is written here to you. You can see properly. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Shohili Kibria already said, sir. Thank you, sir. And if you have no problem, we are going to start our next one. So, dear students, please do comments. Do you face any problems? This is too much easy. Do you see wrong here? Anything wrong? The ratio of the milk and sugar in the ferment is 7:2. In this ferment, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. And what is the quantity of milk? Clear, sir? Okay, sir. We are going to start. Lota Ahmed said not clear, but already 3 students or 4 students said the clear here. Please, I think everything okay. I can see also here. I observing my class using this mobile is also my desktop is also working here. So, dear students, I think there is no problem. Okay, we are going to next one. Inshallah. This is the last question in this content. Question number 16. So, dear students, the last question, question number 16. So, this maths is as like as question number 16. So, if you have maths book in front of you, please read the question properly. It's too much easy questions. Question number 16. The ratio of the prices of 2 computers is 4:6. If the price of first computer is taka 25,000, then what is the price of second computer? In case of the price hike, if the prices of second computer is increased taka 5,000, then what types of the ratio of the prices will be? The first of 2 computer here, dear students, okay, I think I have to write these questions. The prices of the ratio of the prices of computers is 5:6. If the first computer price okay, I am repeating this question again. The ratio of the prices of 2 computers is 5:6. If the first computer price is taka 25,000, Then what is the prices of second computer? This is the first part. The second part in this question here added, in case of price hike, if the prices of second computer increased by taka 5,000, then what types of the ratio or will be formed or will be. The questions, the ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6. If the prices of first computer is 25,000 taka, then what is the prices of second computer? In case of the price hike, if the second computer price is increased by the 5,000 taka, then what will be the ratios of their prices? So my dear students, the two-step question here. The first one you can do it in unitary method. Then do the second one. First find the prices of second computer here. So my dear students, already three students have done. The second computer price will be 30,000 taka. Hasan Shohi, thank you sir. 30,000 taka of the second computer. Already said. Sadia Monami, thank you sir. And Kushal Barbin, sir, 35,000 taka, 5:7 ratios. Yes, sir, this is the 5:7 ratios or 5:6 ratios? Sir, why you said here the 5:7 ratios? This information is given 5:6 ratios. 30,000 taka, yes, 25 and 30. Wow, already second part also done by the Tamanna Afrin. My dear students, thank you very much. Already you have said the second part of this question will be unit ratio. Then when the price is hiked by 5,000 taka, then both computer price will be same. First computer price is 30,000 taka. Second computer price is also 30,000 taka. So antecedent and subsequent both are same in this ratio. Then the ratio will be unit ratio, whose result is 1. So already said. The first one who said the second part is Tamanna Afrin. Once again, thanks to you, my dear students. Then Shiddat Kisha. Yes, sir. Afsana Hussain, Nur Fateh, 30,000 taka, 30,000 taka. Okay, sir. Nusrat, 30,000 taka. Intesar Hussain, 30,000 taka. I don't see any comments of Christina. Do you hear me? Are you here? Yes, Nurpate, 30,000 taka. Parish, yes sir. Said Jaman Obi, 1:1. Thank you sir. Wow, already yes, who is doing this comment sir? Please. Is there any class students? Is there any class teachers? Please. Please try to stop doing any irrelevant comments here. I think so, dear students, okay, we will do this one now. Yes sir, 30,000 taka without shortcut. Already some maximum student have done without doing shortcuts. So thank you sir. Sir, already once I was writing for 7 minutes. Okay sir, it's very easy math sir. Unit ratio, Shohili Kibriya, thank you sir. So maximum student already said the answer is first sir, don't okay, thank you sir. The first computer price is, which information is given here? The price of first computer. So solution is price of first computer, computer ratio, price of second computer is the 5:6, 5:6. So here given here the price of first computer is 25,000 taka, then taka 25,000, then second computer price, or you can write here only 25,000. The ratio with the same quantity, so unit will be absent here. Price of second computer equals to 5:6. So or price of second computer is price of second computer is unknown here. So second multiply with the third one. So the third one will be denominator first. Here 25,000 multiply with 6. The price of second computer you can use here taka. So 5 times, then 5,000 multiply 5,000 multiply. So this one will be 30,000 taka. The first part answer is complete here. The prices of second computer is 30,000 taka. But what is the second part here given? So my dear students, when 5,000 taka is increased, then new price of first computer will be 25,000 plus 5,000 equal 30,000. Here the ratio of the price of second computer is also 30,000 taka. Ratio of their prices is 30,000 divided by 30,000 equals to 1. So then first computer previous price was 25,000 taka. After increasing the 5,000 taka, this one will be 30,000 taka. And second computer price is 30,000 taka. Already we have done in the first part. And the ratio of their prices is 30,000 ratio 30,000, eliminating them. we get here the 1. So always when the ratio is 1, then it's converted as a unit ratio, because antecedent and subsequent both are the same here, so their ratio will be unit ratio. So my dear students, we have 10 minutes remaining. I think if you have any questions, please do comments. From our next classes, we will start the new contents. So I think the Fozia Miss started the discussion exercise 2.2. I think last classes she discussed how to find the percentage. So after completing 2.2, I think your math syllabus will be complete. Your upcoming exam math syllabus, chapter 1, 1.1 to 1.4 and 2.1 to 2.2. I think within this week, within these few classes, I think your syllabus will be completed. I think within this week. So which topics you need more to revise, please do comments here. So hopefully in my next week classes, I will review as far as your demand. So do you want to which topics you want to revise again, please do comments. And I think I am going to start some basic concept about the geometry, basically in constructions. So already I have managed the geometrical box and instruments. So hopefully I will discuss, and if you have no questions, any other more topics, then I will discuss construction parts once again. Then I will discuss one classes in number lines, how to draw a number lines. Hopefully using some techniques, I will discuss this one again. So if you need revise any topics, please you can write the comments here, and which topics need to revise again or first. My dear students, already said no problem sir, syllabus is complete, thank you sir. Nadira Dina, thank you sir, no problem. Chapter 5 revise again. So already 2 students comments here, chapter 5 revise again. Revise demand here. So dear student, one student comments here, chapter 5. Please do comments. Do you need any more? Any homework today, sir? Today homework, there is no homework. Just revise. Revise the. There's no homework. Practice. Practice. All work done. Oh, already another student said here the chapter 1, chapter 5 and 1. Do you need to revise the geometry part here? My dear student, please do comments. There is no homework, sir. It's enjoy your time, enjoy, but no risks. Just revise the previous classes. Actually, I don't want any homework, but if there are any, I surely will do. Thank you, sir. Chapter 7 is a demand. Chapter 7 said, chapter 2 revise again. I think someone said here, chapter 2 bye sir, chapter 6 and 7. 7 demand is chapter 7. Sir, chapter 2 hand. Yes, chapter 2 revise already done. I think for GMS we will discuss exercise 2.2. So I think after completing her lecture, I think your answer will be completed. So if you have any questions, please you can share your questions to the miss. Hopefully after completing these topics, his syllabus will be complete. So in my classes, I will discuss the next classes, some construction, revise again. Then I will discuss chapter 7 and 5, then 1 inshallah. So my dear students, thank you very much to enjoy this class. So hopefully you will pass your times with your maths and other subjects. So hopefully your upcoming exam will be better inshallah. So thank you very much once again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In my next classes, I will discuss the some construction again. Then I will revise this 3 chapters one by one, inshallah. Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.